everybody. Today I am going to say maths topic in the trigonometry. Trigonometry concept today will start. In that some basics and the introduction part. So let's start. First to know about the trigonometry. In this trigonometry we will see ratios. Trigonometric ratios first. Ratios. And sin theta opposite to those all we will see now. To understand this trigonometric ratios we have to discuss Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. This we will see now. Think this is the right angle triangle. Here right angle triangle. This is A, B, C. This is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Right angle means at B it is a 90 degrees. Angle B is equals to 90 degrees here. So Pythagoras theorem. Let us think this is a theta. That means some angle. Here 90 degrees. Angle C and angle A. They are some angles that no need just. This is ABC. Here this is one side. AB is one side. BC is one side and AC is also one side. So here three sides are there in the right angle triangle. This is the biggest side, AC. AC is the biggest side. That means biggest now we have to take as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. This is the formula for the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. The longest side is called as hypotenuse. That is AC. AC is the longest side. So hypotenuse is AC. AC square is equals to side square. These are the two sides AB and BC here. So AB is one side. AB square plus another side, that is BC. AB completed, BC another side. So BC square. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Sum of the two sides, two square of sides is hypotenuse square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now let's start the trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios in this chapter. 6. Those are sin theta, cos theta, tan, sin, cos, tan. Again reverse. Cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Here theta is the value of number, degrees. It is measured in the degrees, theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. These all how, means what is the formula for this we will discuss now. We need a right angle triangle for this. ABC here. Right angle triangle, right angle at B here. So what is the formula for sin theta? Here this is the angle. This is the theta angle here. So we have to take opposite by opposite side to theta. This is the formula for the sin. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. This is the formula. Here is the theta, opposite side. This is the opposite side. See, A opposite side is BC. So this is the opposite side. This is the longest side, that is hypotenuse. This is AB is near to the theta, so we will take as adjacent to theta, ADJ. This is opposite to side theta. Side is BC by, here I am taken theta near angle A. If there theta can be taken at angle C, then BC will be the adjacent and AB will be the opposite. So here theta is at angle A. Hypotenuse is AC. So sin theta is equals to BC by AC, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Now cos theta. To theta by hypotenuse. Here in the cos theta, we have to take adjacent. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Same. Adjacent by hypotenuse will be same here. Adjacent. That means theta adjacent, near side, AB. AB by hypotenuse is same, AC. AC, cos theta is equals to. We'll say cos theta is equals to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Now we'll see tan theta. What is the tan theta? Remaining 4 is easy when compared to sin theta, cos theta. Tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta. This is the formula for the tan theta. Opposite side of theta. That means BC. BC by adjacent side to theta. That is AB. Tan theta is equals to BC by AB. Here what we have done? We can take tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. This is the formula. Sin theta by cos theta. Whereas sin is opposite to theta by hypotenuse. And again division cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse and hypotenuse gets cancelled. Remaining opposite to theta by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. This is the tan formula. We can take as sin theta by cos theta also as tan theta. Now next one, cosecant theta. Cosecant. Cosecant theta, reverse of sin theta. Easy remember. Cosecant is reverse of sin. Secant is reverse of cos. Cot is reverse of tan. So cosecant theta is reverse. That means 1 by sin theta. Sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Sin theta is 1 by opposite to theta by hypotenuse. This is the formula for the sin theta. 1 by means reverse. First hypotenuse comes. Hypotenuse by opposite to theta. This is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equals to hypotenuse by opposite to theta. That is hypotenuse. Here it is AC. AC by opposite side to theta. This is theta. Opposite is BC. AC by BC is cosecant theta. We can write another is cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Now we will see secant theta. Cosecant theta is reverse of the sin. Means sin theta reverse. Now secant theta. Secant theta is reverse of cos. 1 by cos. Reverse of cos theta. 1 by cos theta is adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. This is the formula for the cos theta. Now, secant theta, hypotenuse is reverse now. Hypotenuse goes up. So, first hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. This is the formula for secant theta. Another formula is 1 by cos theta. Hypotenuse side AC, the longest side AC by adjacent side to theta, near to theta, that is AB. AC by AB. Secant theta is equals to AC by AB. Now we will discuss cot theta. This is about the secant theta. Cot theta is the reverse of tan. 1 by tan theta is cot theta. 1 by tan theta formula. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta 1 by, that means it is in the reverse. So first adjacent comes, adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta, opposite to theta. This is the formula for the cot theta. That means adjacent by hypotenuse. Where theta is, for that we have to see adjacent side, opposite side. Adjacent side is AB, theta AB. AB by opposite to theta. Opposite to theta means theta is here at angle A. Side is BC. AB by BC is the cot theta. In the form of triangle representation. This is the formula, and this 1 by tan theta we can write. Tan theta we have written as sin by cos. This is a tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. One more formula is tan. So cot theta is a reverse of tan. So we can write cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta is also formula for the cot theta. Here cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. This is sin, opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse cancel. Adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Same formula. That means cot theta has this one formula. Adjacent side to theta by opposite to theta. Second formula is 1 by tan theta. And third one is cos theta by sin theta. So these are the all 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. In next there will be a specific values for the theta. There are some specific values and values. So we will be discussing that also in the another video. Thank you.